Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I'm going to show you this poncho that I have made, and this is a toddler's poncho. As you can see, that fits about the baby age of 4 to 5 or 6 inches if the baby is very skinny or a thin baby, and if the baby is healthy, definitely it's going to fit only for 4 to 5 years. So basically today my task is to show you the stitch. This is one of the very beautiful stitch and easy to make, and it looks really very beautiful after being made. So to understand this pattern, I am making a video. So let's get started. For this, you are going to need, you will be needing a yarn and a hook, whatsoever yarn you are using. And to start, we are going to make chains. Okay, so 3, 4. This video is only to show you the pattern, to teach you the pattern, and this pattern looks very good in many different things, like if you are making a shawl, or you are making a cardigan, or if you are making a blanket, it also looks very good in the blankets also. So what you have to do is, now you are going to double crochet into the 7th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. After that, you are going to chain 1. Now leave 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into the 5th one, we are going to make a double crochet. Chain 3. Double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. Okay. Moving on, double crochet into the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our 5th chain. We are going to do a double crochet in this one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the very same stitch, same chain we did before. See, these makes like a V pattern, and in between there is a chain. Okay, chain 1, again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the 5th one, we are going to make double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Now you have to turn your work and chain 3. Now it is a time to make the shells. So in this 3 chain space, we are going to make 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I made 6. Do you know why? Because this 3 chain is also going to be counted as our first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There will be no chain, no space between the shells, and we are going to move on to the next one. Next chain 3 space, and we are going to make 7 double crochets in this too. And now into the next one, 7 double crochets. Our line is completed and we have done 7 double crochets in each of the chain 3 space. Now we are going to chain 3 and turn our work. After turning our work, we are going to make a double crochet into the very fourth stitch from our hook. Like in the previous we made 7, so after leaving 1, 2, 3 stitches, we are going to double crochet into our fourth stitch. Double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch and chain 1. Let me explain you again. See, you can see 7 stitches over here. So into the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fourth stitch, we are going to do a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch. So in this way, we are going to get our V stitch on in between, in the center of our shells, Now, after completing this, we are going to turn our work, and similarly as we did before, we are going to make 7 double crochets in each of these chain 3 spaces. And our design will look something like this as I did in the poncho. As you can see, I hope you like the tutorial. In next tutorial, I am going to show you how to make this poncho. And I am going to explain it to you, and definitely you all are very good in understanding, and hope you are going to like my video. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on to the bell button so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded, and it's really absolutely for free. So stay tuned for the new video. Have a great day.